In this lecture of PD, I am going to teach you all about find a complete integral of by Chapit's method, that is xpq plus yq square is equal to 1. Okay, so let me start. Find a complete integral of xpq plus yq square is equal to 1. So the solution starts from here. F of x comma y comma z comma p comma q is equal to 0. So what is this? xpq plus yq square. Bring this term the other side, this side. So it will become minus 1 is equal to 0. F of x comma y comma z comma p comma q, write it as it is equal to this. So this is equal to this, write it down. So xpq plus yq square minus 1. Okay, differentiate this one. Okay, now you have to differentiate this with respect to what? X. So you will get pq, differentiate this with respect to y, I will get q square, differentiate with respect to z term is not there, so it is 0. Differentiate f this with respect to p, so I will get xq, differentiate with respect to q, I will get xp plus 2qy, right? xp plus 2qy. Okay, now next is what? Let me explain you all first. Now this is the given auxiliary equation, that is the Chapit's auxiliary equation. I have taught you all in the previous lecture. Dx upon fp is equal to dy upon fq is equal to dz upon fp into f of p plus q into f of q is equal to dp upon minus f of x plus p f of z is equal to, now this is equal to dq upon minus, I was not getting a place over here, so I have written it over here, right? So dq upon minus, in the bracket write down fy plus q f of z. So this is the Chapit's auxiliary equation. Okay, now dx upon what is the f of p? Now in terms of f of p is what is there? pq is there. So write pq, sorry, what it is? F of x, f of p. What is f of p? xq, right? So write xq over here is equal to dy upon what is there? fq. What is fq now? Yeah, xp plus 2yq. Plug the value over here. Okay. Now this is equal to what? dz upon p f of p. So write this p, has it over here, p over here. What is f of p? F of p is nothing but xq. So I have written xq over here plus q. Now what is f of q? F of q is nothing but what? What is this f of q over here? F of q is nothing but xp. This what it is? xp plus 2yq. Okay, now pxy, open the bracket, pxq it is, plus xp into q plus this is what? 2yq square. Okay, I have to multiply this q with this one plus this q again with this one. So what I got is, I have written it over here. Okay, where it is 2. So this is nothing but what? This is 2y's pxq, right? Plus 2yq square. So I have written this. So 2px, see 2pxq, 2xpq, this plus 2yq square. I have written it over here. So this is how I got it. Okay, explanation is over here. Next, let me rub this part. Okay, now what I have done is, now dp upon this fz is what? Fz is given as 0. Okay, now minus f of x is what? F of x is what? Minus pq, write it down directly, minus pq. Now here same way fz is 0, so minus fy. Fy is what? Q square. So it is what? Nothing but minus q square. Okay, now I have taken this is equal to this. Okay, so I have taken this is equal to this. dp upon minus pq is equal to minus dq upon minus q square. Okay, so I have taken this two over here, this and this. Okay, so I'll turn the page. So what I got is dp upon minus pq is equal to minus dq upon minus q the whole square. So what is going to happen over here is minus sign is going to get cancelled. Q along with this q will get cancelled. What is going to remain is dp upon p is equal to integral of dq upon q. Okay, so I'm going to integrate this, right? So what is the integral of this is ln of p is equal to ln of q plus ln of a. This is constant. Okay, so basically this is what constant. Okay, now ln of p is equal to ln of q into a. Now this is nothing but p is equal to aq. Next what we are going to do is take this equation 1 x p q plus y q square is equal to 1 x. Write it as it is. Plug the value of p. What is the value of p? You all got over here aq. So plug the value of aq over here into q. Write it as it is. Plus yq square is equal to 1 x a q square. Okay. Multiply this q square with this one plus yq square is equal to 1. Write it as it is. Take q square common. Ax plus y is equal to 1 will remain. Now q square is equal to what? 1 upon ax plus y. Okay. Now what you'll have to do is take the root. Take the square the other side. What you are going to get is q is equal to 1 upon root of ax plus y. Okay. Next what you are going to do is p is equal to what you all have got a upon what it is. It was a, right? So here basically it was nothing but a is equal to p upon q, right? Or a, p is equal to a. Okay, let me explain you all this part. So what is p is equal to a upon root of ax plus y. Okay, what was the value of p is equal to aq? P is equal to A into Q. So A is nothing but this. Q is what? 1 upon root of AX plus Y. Right? This is nothing but this. Okay? So I have plugged the value over here. Okay? Now I hope you all have understood the explanation part. Now substitute this value of Q and P in this equation. Okay? So in this equation you all have to substitute the values. dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Now what is dz is equal to what is p dx? P is nothing but a upon root of x plus y dx. Write it as it is plus what is q? 1 upon root of ax plus y into dy. Write it as it is. Okay. Next what I am going to do is once you all plug the value, you all are going to get dz. Now this is common, right, for both. So a dx plus dy upon root of ax plus y. Okay, this is common, right? So integrate this on both the side. What you all are going to get? This is the formula which you all have to apply. And then finally what you all are going to get is z plus b, which is a constant. If you integrate this, is equal to what is the integral? Use this formula 2 into root of ax plus y. Okay. So what you all have to do is put root on both the side or square. What you all are going to get? Z plus b the whole square. Square on both the side. I am squaring on both the side. Okay. Is equal to, if I square this 2, I will get 4. This square will get cancelled. Okay. See, square. Here also square and square. So square and this root will get cancelled. And this is your final answer. Okay. Z plus b the whole square is equal to 4 into x plus by. Ax plus y, sorry. I hope you all have understood today's lecture of Chaplin's method. I hope you all have understood it clearly and thanks for watching.